Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change the bristle, the old brush, and to put the new one. Sometimes it can be difficult. Usually it goes with a thing like this, so when you buy it, usually it goes with a changeable brush and with this like helper sticker, but sometimes it can be lost because it's a small thing. So to change it, you need to put this thing inside this hole like that and just push.
Как тебе эти звуки?
Alright, so we're pressing this in the hole and we're pushing it forward like that, but it doesn't come off. So the other way, if you don't have it or it's not working, we can use a fork. We can put the fork inside this hole like that and just press like this, and you see it's perfectly coming out like this. I already cleaned here. Usually it's a lot of mold inside and it's really dirty, so my suggestion, just open up once a week and just clean it. I'm cleaning with the old toothbrush. Alright, and then we're just putting the new one on top. Alright? Let me try with this one more time. Не открывается.